Garima, which one thing you want to eliminate from MBBS?
वैसे तो सब कुछ बट फिलहाल के लिए 4 to 5 वाले हो जाए तो बेटर रहेगा.
Anshul, which one thing you want to eliminate from MBBS?
Exams.
Anshika, which one thing you want to eliminate from MBBS?
Myself.
Trupti, which one thing you want to eliminate from MBBS?
Evening posting.
And which one thing you want to eliminate from MBBS?
I want to eliminate postings, all postings.
Paul, which one thing you want to eliminate from MBBS? Kunjan, which one thing you want to eliminate from MBBS? Penny, which one thing you want to eliminate from MBBS? Siddhi, which one thing you want to eliminate from MBBS?
Gynae posting.
Which one thing you want to eliminate from MBBS?
नशे करना.
Which one thing you want to eliminate from MBBS?
Nothing.
Which thing you want to eliminate from MBBS? Kavya, which thing you want to eliminate from MBBS? Kritika, which thing you want to eliminate from MBBS? Which thing you want to eliminate from MBBS?
2 से 5 classes.